There are two ways to make money. Active income, which we are taught about in school, which is where you use your time in order to make money, and passive income, which is what we're not taught about in school, where you put in a lot of effort up front, but then you have a steady income coming in month after month without you having to put in much effort to maintain that income. In today's video, we are talking about the latter, passive income, and how you can build passive income with affiliate marketing. Welcome back to the channel Social Affiliates. In today's video, we are talking about the 5 steps you need to take in order to build a source of passive income with affiliate marketing. And if you're new to the channel, then hey, my name is Stephen Horn, affiliate marketer and online entrepreneur. And on this channel, we talk all about building an affiliate marketing business using the power of social media. I know I may not look like somebody who has passive income coming in. I mean, I'm sitting in my living room recording YouTube videos in a t-shirt. But I actually do have a source of passive income with affiliate marketing. I make so much money that I can be put in the hospital tomorrow, or I can even decide to go off on vacation and not have to worry about paying my bills or anything like that. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 steps that I took to build my source of passive income. Now, before we start, I want to make sure that you know that this isn't going to be something easy to do. This actually took a lot of hard work, but the hard work actually pays off. Now, with all of that being said, we're going to start with step 1, and that's finding the perfect product. Now, for me, I like to work with digital products more than I like to work with physical products. And the reason being is because when someone buys a digital product, they can usually get it within the first 5 minutes after they pay. However, with a physical product, they have to not only pay for it, but they also have to wait for a few weeks. Additionally, they have to also pay shipping and handling most of the time. And you have to get a larger number of information from them in order to get the conversion, such as name, email, and shipping address. And the more information that you try to get up front, the harder it is to make a conversion. Now, I don't go for just any digital marketing product. The digital marketing product actually has to meet 3 criteria before I decide to promote it. 1, it has to be in high demand. High demand products usually make it easier for you to sell. Unfortunately, it also brings in more competition. So that's something to keep in mind when you're choosing your products. 2, it has to have a recurrent commission. You can set up passive income with affiliate programs that pay one-time offers, but having an affiliate program that pays you month after month tends to help you build that passive income far easier. 3, it has to be an affiliate marketing program that I would buy myself. If it's not an affiliate marketing program that I would buy myself, then I just don't promote it, because I usually like to buy the program, test it out so that I can learn the ins and outs, so that I can teach other people how to use it before I promote it. Additionally, this helps me see if the product is worth selling or not. If I test it out and it's a bunch of junk, then that scraps it for me as well. Once I find a product that meets all 3 criteria, it is time to move on to finding the perfect traffic source. A traffic source is a place where your ideal audience is going to be. So different social media platforms or a blog actually counts as a traffic source. Now, if you're using social media as your traffic source, one of the best ways to figure out which social media platform will work best for you is to identify what type of content you take in the most. If you are somebody who like to watch a lot of YouTube, then YouTube will be the best place for you to create your own content on. However, if you take in most of your information from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or any other platform, then that's going to be the platform for you and the type of content that you create. Now, if you're just beginning on your journey, then I highly suggest that you focus down on one social media platform before you start branching out to the other social media platforms. Additionally, you can start using the money that you make from free traffic in order to buy paid traffic, which would be ads on Google, Facebook, and YouTube, or any other social media platform ads that you want to use. A good place to run social media ads is actually Snapchat and Instagram story ads. This will allow you to start building your own email list, which will be traffic that you own, which will make making money a lot more easier. Also, keep in mind what type of traffic you're using. Are you using search like Google and YouTube, or are you using social like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter? Now that we figured out our perfect traffic source and our perfect product, it is now time to start creating content and working on our personal brand. Now, the ultimate goal of creating content on social media or your website is going to be providing value to your ideal audience. The reason why I emphasize the last part is because I can't tell you how many times I see people create content that they want to see and not what their audience want to see. The way that you provide value to your audience is by either educating, inspiring, or motivating or entertaining people with your content. If you don't know what type of content to create, then I suggest you go watch this video right here where I talk about 3 types of content affiliate marketers can create. Now, through your content creation, you also want to start building your personal brand by identifying your attractive character. And in order to identify your attractive character, you need to know 3 things: the elements, the backstory of your attractive characters, in what type of attractive character you are. And what I mean by what type of attractive character you are, there is the leader, the reporter, the adventurer, and the reluctant hero. So there are 4 parts to the elements of your attractive character. The first one is the backstory, which gives context to your attractive character. The second one is parables, which are short stories that closely relates to the overall core value that you are trying to instill upon your audience. The third element is the character flaws. This is something that a lot of people have trouble with because a lot of people have trouble admitting that they actually have weaknesses. But showing people that you have weaknesses is actually a good way of connecting with people. The fourth thing you want to have as an element is polarity. This is where you're going to have a hard stance on topics that greatly influence the way people think. Now, when it comes to storylines, i.e. your backstories, there are several different storylines that you can choose from. The Lost in Redemption, the Us versus Them, the Before and After, the Amazing Discovery, Secret Telling, and the Third Person Testimony. We'll actually do another video where we go into depth what each one of these storylines actually do and how you can use them to build your attractive character. Now, once you have the first 3 in check, it is now time to start building your sales funnels so that you can build your email list. If you don't know how to build a sales funnel, then I highly suggest you go back and watch this video right here, which teaches you how to build a lead magnet for Clickbank, or this video right here, which will teach you how to build a proper landing page. Now, if you don't know what a sales funnel is, a sales funnel is basically a series of web pages designed to automate the selling process. Additionally, it allows you to capture name and emails for your email marketing list. A good way of thinking about a sales funnel is by thinking about McDonald's. To be more specific, McDonald's dollar menu. McDonald's actually lose out on a lot of money when they just sell from their dollar menu. However, they make up for that by asking 2 different questions. The first one is, would you like fries with that? And the second one is, would that complete your order? To break down what's happening, let's say the road that leads past McDonald's is McDonald's traffic source, or in your case, social media or your blog. McDonald's then baits them in with a low price item, which is the $1 menu. You can do the same as McDonald's with a lead magnet or something that costs no more than $10 in order to get people to your sales page. Now, the reason why you want to use a sales funnel in an email list is because of something that is referred as the law of 7. And this law basically states that most people will not buy the first time they see an offer. It actually takes them 6 or 7 times to see the offer before they're actually buying. Now, the final thing that you need is to give a clear call to action. No one is going to know about your lead magnet or your low ticket offer if you don't point them in the right direction.